Yo guys, what's up? It's Alex from GMG Studio. Today we will start a new series. As you have learned how to develop mobile games from us, we thought it might be a good idea to go deeper with our coding examples. In this series, we will teach you some design patterns you should know to develop great games. Imagine you want to order a pizza. After your game finished, if you make a new high score, you get a salami pizza, and if not, you will get a pizza margherita. Well, every pizza is done the same. You have to prepare the pizza, bake the pizza, cut the pizza, and box the pizza. So let's make an abstract class. I noticed that many people who don't know the factory method use code duplication to do this. But the factory method will solve this problem for us. Well, let's start with two pizza types, salami and margherita. The pizza salami is a pizza, so it inherits from our abstract class. Because pizza is an abstract class, we have to implement the four methods and override them. Well, and the same thing for the pizza margherita, because it's a pizza as well. The prepare function is a bit different because there is no salami added on a pizza margherita. And so we have two implementations of our abstract class. Of course, we have to change our logs so we won't get confused. Now let's start with the fun part. You buy a pizza at the pizza store and we will make an abstract class pizza store. We can order a pizza and then we will have to create one. The order process is always the same. We will create a pizza of the type we want and then we call our four methods. Prepare, bake, cut and box. And now we can return the finished pizza. The method create pizza has to be implemented by our factory because we don't know which pizza to make. So we will create an Italian pizza store which inherits from pizza store and implement the method create pizza. This is the factory. In factories, you will always find some if, else or switch statements, and we will take the pizza type as argument to decide what pizza the customer wants. So if it's margherita, we will create pizza margherita. If it's salami, we will create pizza salami. At default, we will log something. Dude, we don't sell pizza Hawaii. I will give you a normal pizza. By the way, do you like pizza Hawaii? Write it in the comments. And now we can use it. We will create a new Italian pizza store and order a pizza of the type salami. And if we don't achieve a new high score, we will order a margherita. Oh, I made a mistake. Remove the brackets from pizza. Let's test it now. and it looks fine. Guys, this was our first episode about design patterns. I hope it was helpful.
Like the video if you liked the video, dislike the video if you disliked the video, subscribe if you want to be notified on our future content. We are also on Instagram and Facebook. Feel free to follow us there as well. And have a great day. Start creating, stop consuming.